My walls are need to be cleaned or something. Huh. Here we go again.
This
Here
is
we
not
go
a
again.
test. This alert is for all of the West Coast until further notice. NORAD has detected multiple foreign aircraft and ships heading for the West Coast. These are confirmed to be military aircraft
I mean
and
the
ships.
West Coast.
Evacuate the West Coast immediately. If you are visiting from another state, head back to that state.
I guess I'm going back to Georgia today. Well, my door. My door. Oh, God, no. When did my door open? Somebody break in. You better not be getting it for a military member.
We interrupt normal programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt normal programming. This is a national emergency.
Okay.
Important instructions will follow.
That ain't good.
We are being invaded by Russian troops. You need to shelter in place now.
Are you serious? Is this like a prank? Like, is this a prank? Like, Alpha's ended. Oh, immediate action termination. What's going on? Did the emergency alert system just get fucking hijacked? Did we just get hijacked by the emergency alert from Russia? Did we just get
The
hijacked?
United States is currently winning the war against Russia and
Good.
other communist countries.
Good.
There is no need to shelter in place.
Are you sure about that? I'm scared that there's something at my door. Like, Bravo? They have them now.
Surrender if you were approached by Russian soldiers. America will fall.
I was fine.
America will fall.
I'm fine.
America will fall.
Okay. Oh, no. Oh, God, no. I'm scared, bro. Oh, God. I'm scared. What in the world just happened? Who just said my name? Somebody in my house? That didn't sound like any of my family. People are coming.